Site favorites are the sites that appear in the top menu of iLearn each time you log in. When a new semester begins, the iLearn site for a new course will not show up in the top of the menu of iLearn by default. So, at the start of each semester, you may want to change or update your site favorites based on your current course schedule. This video will demonstrate how to update site favorites and make them visible in the top of the menu. It will also show you how to organize them in preferred order. Once logged into iLearn, click on the Sites tab in the upper right-hand corner here. You'll see all of your current visible courses. The site that our favorites are noted with a yellow star. These are the sites that will show up in the top of the menu bar each time you log into iLearn. To favorite a site, click on the star next to a course to highlight it. If you want to remove last semester courses, click and unhighlight the star next to that course. If you liked your course in a specific order on the menu bar, click on the Organize Series tab in the Sites menu to manage the order of your site's favorites and drag them and drop them in your preferred order. After choosing which sites you would like to favor and organize them, click the X at the top right of the Sites box. A yellow box will pop up stating to reload the page to see your current updated favorite sites. Click on the reload link, and once your browser reloads, your newly favorited sites will be visible in the top of the menu of iLearn.